Hey, what is up, guys? Today, it's a pretty nice day, I gotta say. So, I thought, why not destroy a crap phone? I mean, why not? For any of you say that this is a waste, I mean, we lost the battery of this thing, as you can see, so this phone is useless, so I might as well make a video on it. And I'm sorry for this, me having to hold this camera. I will be getting a tripod next couple of weeks, maybe a week or so the quality should be better by then. Alright, so I mean, why not? Let's just hit this thing a couple times. See, let's hit it right on the screen here. Okay, so the camera is already dead. See right there. I believe that's the camera. I didn't really look over the phone too much. The screen is plastic, obviously. I'm always set it up like this. But how about this? So guys, we're gonna move it over here just so I can hit it harder. I don't want to break this tile, you know. Alright, here. Alright, let's hit it right on this battery thing here. Alright. Some slight damage, I see. Well, let's open this thing up because it is a flip phone, so yep, that's shattered. Alright, let's get in there and hit it. We got some a little bit of separation here, I gotta say. It'd be nice to get a couple buttons off this thing. Alright, I'm gonna go just ham on this thing here. There we go. So, touchpad in there. This thing is a little bendage, I gotta say. This thing, let's hit this keyboard a couple times here. Well guys, that is about it. And so I'm gonna put a before and after photo right now. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.